Semi-automatic swing-type pneumatic tire changer with right helper arm. Install the machine, connect the power supply and air supply. Treat turntable rotation paddle. Turntable rotates in a clockwise direction. Lift the turntable rotation paddle. Turntable rotates in an anti-clockwise direction. Completely treat clamping paddle for jaws open. Treat again, jaws close. Treat inward, loose bead braking paddle. Bead braking shovel returns to original position. Handle for lifting and lowering right helper arm roller. Locking switch of right helper arm. Remove valve core. Press tire loose. Position the 4 clamping jaws. Put the tire on the turntable. Lock the wheel in place. Lower the demounting mounting head to rim edge. Lock vertical arm. Lower the roller of right helper arm. Separate the tire and rim. Smear tire lubricant oil on tire bead. Insert the lifting lever between the mounting bead and the right roller. Rotate the turntable. Demount tire top layer. Lift the tire bead upon the front mounting head with the lifting lever. Rotate the turntable. Demount the below tire layer. Put the tire on the wheel rim. Smear tire lubricant oil on the tire bead. Put the tire on the rim. Lower the mounting head to rim edge and lock it. Put the bottom tire bead between rear top and front bottom of the mounting head. Rotate the turntable. Mount tire bottom layer. Install manual tire pressing device. Press tire top bead by the roller of right helper arm and make the top bead below head of the mounting head always. Rotate the turntable. Mount tire top layer. Inflate tire.